What is it, Max?
A surprise?
Are you
A
ready?
surprise for you?
Come on, let's go. Come on, you ready? See?
Let me get in ahead of him.
What's up,
Let me see.
Alright. Can Maxie watch?
Out of the way, Noah.
Surprise! That's that car.
What is it? Is it a car bed?
Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna go
Is it cool?
Oh, wow!
And there's Laura.
It's a car's bed!
Come in, okay?
Wow! Yeah, stick that in your mouth.
Is it nice, Max? You want to go take a nap again?
Yeah. You like that bed?
I'm gonna lay with him. A car.
A car bed. It's your car bed.
It's a car bed. You like it?
Is it so cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Take the puppy out of your mouth, please, Max.
Does it have the regular twin side on it right now?
No.
Twin size? No.
Race car.
It's a race car. Because Max, are you a race car driver?
Is it cool?
Maxie, you like it? If Maxie said all your cars, you can bring your cars in. Give everybody hugs and say
Oh, yeah. Say thank you to everybody.
Come on, me first.
Say thank you to everybody.
Come on, give everyone a hug.
Everybody made that for you.